In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another company to a QuickBooks Online account. If you're setting up books for a second business, it's important to know that QuickBooks Online treats each company as its own separate subscription. That means you won't simply add a new company inside your existing file. Instead, you'll purchase a new QuickBooks Online subscription for that business and then connect it to the same login you already use. This makes it much easier to switch between companies later without needing multiple usernames. To get started, go to the QuickBooks pricing page. Here you'll see the available QuickBooks Online plans for your new business. Take a moment to choose the option that fits your needs best, based on the features you want for that company. Since each business can be different, it's worth selecting the plan that matches the size and complexity of the new operation. Once you've chosen your plan, look for the sign-in option. On some screens, you may also see a link that says something like adding a company to an existing account. Either option is meant to help you connect this new company to the QuickBooks login you already have, instead of creating a completely separate account. This is an important part of the process, so make sure you sign in rather than starting as a brand new user. Next, enter your current QuickBooks user ID and password to log in. This tells QuickBooks that the new company should be associated with your existing access. Using the same login keeps your account management simpler and gives you a more convenient way to move between business files in the future. After signing in, follow the setup prompts to create the new company. You'll be asked to enter the name of the new business and then complete the billing details for the subscription. Be sure to review everything carefully as you go, especially the business name and subscription information, so the new company is set up correctly from the beginning. Once that's done, your additional company will be created as its own QuickBooks Online subscription, but it will still be tied to your existing login. That means you can access multiple companies under one sign-in, while keeping each business's financial records separate, which is exactly how QuickBooks is designed to work. And that's how to add another company to a QuickBooks Online account.